or don't drink alcohol even when you're not pregnant. I don't know, but just to have delicious mocktail is how I'm kind of thinking of it, isn't it?
I was like super pregnant.
Okay, can you? Good girl, yay! Good girl. Good jump. Good girl.
Vanilla cream, and that was absolutely delectable as well.
Someone is pregnant right now listening, and they're like, where is the nearest dirty soda? Where do I go?
Y'all gotta go find it. You can make it at home. There's like Tarani you can buy at the store,
K-band, KA-band,
and that's what
please.
dirty soda shops actually
GPS connected.
Yeah.
So like if you can like go to any grocery store, get some Tarani's and your favorite soda, you can do it right at home for cheap.
Sounds like a hack. Thank you for the call and for the suggestions as well. Sounds delicious. Dirty sodas for your Monday. It's the highway.
I should have washed those windshields. I need to start carrying that windshield cleaner with me. It's gonna drive me crazy. Maybe I can stop at a station and clean it with a squeegee. What do you think, Angel? Think we can clean the windshield with a squeegee? Dirty water at the gas station? I got the dash cam in a new position. That's what I'm testing right now. I got it hanging from the ceiling, and then I got the forward cam back there on the left side, and of course I got Angel's cam over here. I don't have my little face cam going right now because I'm charging the battery. I like the face cam. It adds a lot of, I think it adds a lot to the video. When you have a direct view to me talking when I'm talking to you. And, but anyway, you know, it's just all fun and games. I'm just having fun doing this. Keeps me in practice of editing videos. I haven't edited any videos in so long. And I almost forgot how to use my software. Big truck here. Why is my lights on right? Did I hit my lights? I sure did. That's stupid. I thought they were on auto. They are on auto. The sun's kind of glaring. It's hard to see the green light on the steering wheel. But I see that it's green right up here on the dashboard. See if I can see my HUD today. Brightness. Now I can see the HUD with these glasses, but with my sunglasses, they're really dark. I think I'm going to take them back to the VA and ask them if they can redo those sunglasses. They just don't seem right. The right side doesn't seem to line up with the left for some reason. I bet you they'll fix them without a problem. I bet you they'll give me another pair. I'll keep that. I bet you'll let me keep that pair for backup. VA is pretty good about that kind of stuff. It's just that it's been so long since I had gotten glasses, probably 2 or 3 years, so it was really nice to get some glasses. I'm still waiting for my computer glasses. I haven't got them in the mail. I got 2 of my 3 sets in the mail.
K-band.
The only problem with that radar detector so far up there, it's hard to reach. But I like it up there versus up here because it's not in the way. I think I'll drive to Cedar Hill just to see how I like this camera anyway. I don't think I have my wallet. Doggone it. Guess we have to go home and get the wallet. Maybe we'll just clean the windshield while we're there. Oh, shoot. Cameras are gone. I can see the light on that camera in my rear view mirror. That's great. I like that. I think I want to light that angle for the dash cam back there. Get it out of the way up here. It's in the way up here. That's a real problem trying to see the green light there with the sun directly above us glaring. But I can tell with the dashboard indicator that it's working. I got a full green Super Cruise light, which means it's working. So there's multiple, I mean everything you got, there's multiple different ways to see stuff around here. I'm still learning. I just learned how to open the tailgate automatically by just walking up to it. They didn't have that set to auto as a default. You had to go and find it in the settings and turn it on. And of course, you know, got to read the manual, you know. But anyway, I'm learning how to read the manual. I find if I read the manual, then it makes it a little bit easier. Now that I know how to get around the manual. Man, that guy must be hot. Okay, I'm gonna turn disengage. I wish it'd have like a computer voice and say, now disengaging Super Cruise. It's got an audio on. I wonder what it sounds like. I should turn it on just to find out. Oh, that's not a good place to be riding, mister, on your bicycle. Gosh, it's a good place to get hit. Can you see the HUD display from back there? From behind me? On that camera? On the dash cam? Can you see the HUD display? I'll have to check that out. I like the fact I can see the light. What? I'm actually getting another, I'm getting a different mount for this dash cam here. It's going to set lower, so it's going to see more underneath the mirror. But for right now, that's all I got. I got to send this one back when I get my other one because it's too high. Can't really see under the mirror, I don't think. So I want the dash cam to have a good shot underneath the mirror and above the radar detector. windshield while I'm at the house.
She was sitting in a Ford top with a few of her friends, working off the work week, a couple drinks in. When that jukebox done finally hit Paradise City, she was screaming every word like it was 87. She called me looking.
I knew I was forgetting something when I left the house a while ago. I couldn't put my mind on it, but it was my wallet. I need my wallet. If I put my phone back in it, that's a little wallet that Cammy gave me. I love that, Cammy. I'll show you when I get it. I'll run in and get it and clean the windshield. I think I'll just keep the car running. Yeah, I can't drive around with a dirty windshield like that. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. So I gotta dig into the stereo system and see what all it can do. I'm just playing default settings right now, but I think it can go in and just. Does it have 12 speakers? Is that right? 12 speakers? Sweet child of mine. Oh, I also figured out how to open the garage door. Add a remote to my console here, so I can just hit this button and the garage door opens. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool, Angel? Okay, I'm gonna clean the windshield, and what else was I gonna do? What else was I gonna do? Angel, what was I gonna do? Oh, I gotta get my wallet. Clean the windshield and get my wallet. Right back, Angel.
Uniden. X-band. K-band. Ka band. Laser. GPS connected.